Hey guys, congratulations. My name is Blade Dorado, and we're about to get you started on in a fantastic journey of really just scaling your business. So the first thing that we're going to need is we're going to need to get access to a couple of your profiles. So first thing, if I share my screen really quick, that we're going to need to get access to is we're going to need to get access to your business manager so we can actually start running the ads on your account. And this will allow us to get access to your page so that we can apply the messenger bot on this as well, or whatever we need to do. So first what you need to do is you need to go to business.facebook.com. And what you want to do, you might have to create an account. If you have to create an account, just create an account. Then hop over to here. What you're going to do is click on settings on the bottom left hand. Actually, let me mark this so you guys can see it a little bit better. Annotate, some spotlight on there. So you see this now. Hop over to settings over here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to quickly hit up the billing on this section. You're going to want to add settings. You want to add a payment method. Once you're done adding a payment method, what this allows us to do is actually spend money on, lets us spend the ad spend on the account. So pay for that. Put your card in for there. Business settings now. Now what we want to do is want to give us access to the account. So I already have it here. What you want to do is you want to click here, or you want to click on add, and you want to click and put my email address on here, blade@theproject.com. All right, I'm already on there. And what we would do is give me admin access. Then you click next and you put me on there. So let me give you an example actually. So let's copy this guy. Let's cancel him out. Oops. It's one of my virtual assistants. I will use him as an example. So I cancel him out. So I can re-put him in. So click on here, type in blade@theprojectalpha.com. I'm going to use my VA as an example. Then what you want to see is you're going to want to click on classic pages. Click on the page you want to give me access to. So credit Dr. 50 in this example. You're going to click on all of these so I can manage the page. Then you want to do is you're going to want to give me access to Pixel's Instagram accounts. The Instagram account over here. And if you already have a Pixel for the account, you're going to give me access to that as well. And bam. So now what's it going to, a lot of times, all right, so a couple of times actually, like for example, my partner, when I was signing him up, I didn't receive a request on here. So after doing that, sometimes Facebook glitches out a little bit. So he actually sent me a request and I didn't receive it. So something that can just speed up the process completely is you click here. This is the one we just added. Pretend this is like blade@theprojectalpha.com. You're gonna click on resend and just copy this and send me this link. This way I can just get added into the system without any hiccups really quick. Then what you need to do is you're gonna have to give me access to the page. You have to give me access to the ad account. You might have to create an ad account. And give me access to the Instagram account as well, so I can post ads on the Instagram page's behalf, and also with the Facebook page as well. And then after that, the next video I'm gonna record is one called How to Verify Your Business. Very simple. I'm gonna walk you through it in the next video. But that's pretty much it for now, guys. Now I'm gonna have access to the actual Facebook ad manager so I can run the ads like I'm running on your account. And after that, you're gonna have to type in the business verification status, and we'll get into that in the next video. But thank you guys for watching. I'm super excited to work with you. And yeah, I'll meet you at the top.